Ka committee balakli du ba adidi lapang kabala thau kerpang ban pen ko bori ki borsnong kabala shong jingalang hane ka singi ka arpotri ujamang ha secretariat kalaya ta sani bha halor ka village administration bill ha ka bakile shim ya ka wekarai ban ajing mut ya ka sarkar jala ban pelat no ya ka te bill kabala de ban minjur da ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council habai kan bigilat patha ke bor hadin balawai ka jingalang uba lapang ulong kani ka jingalang kabala shong ha kasin ka baningkong kalayo banya ta sani bha batru Kala don gajing emerging mut bari ban ajing mut no eka sarkar jala bakadi ban pelat no eka teka village administration bill knang bagi kam ki basa teng hagaru kompanya snong kinom sa teng. Uba lapang ulai thuru banakleng ki officer ka district council affairs ki blai don rekat haga teka jingalang kila pen sngo baka jingbum la banwan ra eka teka bill kade namar kadang don kam bun ki jing penbet batru kadang don kam bun ki jing ajing mut. Nakleng uba lapang ulai thuru bakani ka komiti ke belas dang man syong jengalang hadin belayo ya kajing kentukan paham no menteri rambak kejala umukul sangma haswaban stang perkat bat banyatai kan sa syong biang ha katayo ba ar jong bana jeleu.
Today we have discussed about the pending bills that the two district councils has sent to the government, village administration bill. Okay. There have been a lot of talk about the delay and from the government side. We got the information because ministers were there. Yeah. They said that some rectification, some additions, that's going on between the district DCA department and also district council. So the matter is pending now. The decision of this meeting today, number one, to urge upon the government to dispose of these two pending bills at the earliest possible. Number two, we have also discussed about the ordinance which the government has approved in the cabinet, and the matter is waiting for the governor, assent of the governor. Now, the delay for not being get the assent very quickly is because the transition period when the new governor, a regular governor, is on the way to come, so he'll delay a few days. So the new governor has joined today. He has assumed office today, and then hopefully they thought that even the ordinance, after the governors give his assent, it will be open for discussion. As of now, this is still a secret paper. And after that, everybody can see the ordinance, and they are free even to give the suggestions, how to modify, how to amend it. And in the meantime, perhaps if these two bills come into being, the governor approved these two bills which is pending, that may be better one, that's right. As of now, they have not get a chance to discuss about the ordinance, the merits and the demerits. And also, we would like to see that the two bills will be done at the earliest possible.